Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Yiddy. Guess what? I have this 2019 Toyota Camry. It's a little bit different than the 2018 Camry. So that's why I'm doing this video, so you know how to do the oil life reset and the oil change, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Alright. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. Destroy the like button, bang it hard, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick, and after that, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Okay. Alright, come with me. I'll show you how to do the oil change real quick. Stu, purun. Hey. Hey, welcome back, guys. Stu is back. I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset in this 2019 Toyota Camry. By the way, I put 4.5 quarts of 0W16 oil. Now let's get to the oil life reset. Let's start the vehicle. The vehicle is running now. You're gonna see all that. Then you're gonna see that message: maintenance required. Visit your dealer. But now you don't have to visit your dealer. You can do it by yourself. If you go to the dealership, you're gonna end up paying like $150 at least for the oil change or something like that. But you don't want to do that. That's why I'm doing this video, so you can pocket those $150 and do whatever you want with those $150. Valentine's Day is coming. I mean, just passed. Never mind. Anyway, let's do this oil life reset. The car is running right now, by the way. Okay, and you're gonna see that message. Press this. You can see that. Now you only gonna use this, okay? And this one. And this one, okay? So you see this? You're gonna go to the bottom. What it says settings. Now you're gonna scroll to the right there, press and hold the OK button. It's gonna take you there. Scroll down, press OK. Now it's gonna ask you reset data. Scroll up, press OK. Reset completed. Now you can go back. I was gonna go back by itself, but you can go back. Whatever you want to go to. Now let's see if I reset it. Okay. I'm gonna stop the car. I'm gonna start the car again. And that's it, you don't get the message no more. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2019 Toyota Camry. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the how to do the oil change video. And this part, how to do the oil life reset. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. And please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Don't forget to bang on the like button and destroy the subscribe button also. Alright, and I'll catch you up later. Thank you for watching. Like I said, holla at your boy. Estuvo Burum. Hey!